Hello and welcome to today's video. Whether you're here for entertainment, education, or just to relax, I'm so glad you've decided to join me. In this video, we'll be exploring how to manage excessive sweating and diving deep into tips and tricks for managing excessive sweating. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Excessive sweating, also known as hyperhidrosis, can be a frustrating and embarrassing condition that affects many people. If you're one of them, you know firsthand how it can impact your daily life, from clothing choices to social situations. Fortunately, there are ways to manage excessive sweating and regain control. In this article, we'll explore some effective strategies for managing this condition. Use antiperspirant. One of the simplest and most effective ways to manage excessive sweating is by using antiperspirant. Unlike deodorants, which only mask odor, antiperspirants actually prevent sweat from reaching the skin's surface. Look for antiperspirants that contain aluminum chloride, which is the active ingredient that blocks sweat. Wear breathable clothing. Wearing breathable clothing can also help manage excessive sweating. Choose fabrics that allow air to circulate, such as cotton or linen. Avoid synthetic materials like polyester or nylon, which can trap heat and moisture, making sweating worse. Try prescription antiperspirants. If over-the-counter antiperspirants aren't effective, talk to your doctor about prescription strength options. These antiperspirants contain higher concentrations of aluminum chloride and may be more effective in managing excessive sweating. Avoid trigger foods and drinks. Certain foods and drinks can trigger excessive sweating. Spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol are all common culprits. Avoiding these items can help reduce sweating. Manage stress. Stress can trigger excessive sweating, so it's important to manage stress levels. Engage in relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Exercise is also an effective stress reliever. Consider medical treatments. If other strategies aren't effective, medical treatments may be an option. Botox injections can be used to temporarily block sweat glands, while surgery can permanently remove them. Use sweat-proof products. Finally, consider using sweat-proof products to manage excessive sweating. Sweat-proof undershirts, underwear, and socks can help keep you dry and comfortable. In conclusion, excessive sweating can be a frustrating and embarrassing condition, but there are ways to manage it. Using antiperspirants, wearing breathable clothing, avoiding trigger foods and drinks, managing stress, considering medical treatments, and using sweat-proof products can all help manage excessive sweating and improve your quality of life. More. Keep cool. Keeping cool is another effective strategy for managing excessive sweating. Avoid hot environments and stay in air-conditioned spaces whenever possible. Use fans or cooling pads to lower your body temperature and reduce sweating. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help regulate body temperature and reduce sweating. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and avoid sugary drinks that can dehydrate you. Wear sweat-wicking clothing. Another way to manage excessive sweating is by wearing sweat-wicking clothing. These materials are designed to draw moisture away from the skin, keeping you dry and comfortable. Look for clothing made from moisture-wicking fabrics like polyester, nylon, or spandex. Practice good hygiene. Practicing good hygiene can help manage excessive sweating and prevent unpleasant odors. Take showers regularly and use soap and water to clean areas prone to sweating, like your underarms and groin. Consider iontophoresis. Iontophoresis is a medical treatment that uses a mild electrical current to temporarily block sweat glands. It's typically used to treat excessive sweating in the hands and feet, but can also be used in other areas of the body. Talk to a doctor. If excessive sweating is impacting your quality of life, talk to a doctor. They can help diagnose the underlying cause of your sweating and recommend appropriate treatment options. They may also be able to refer you to a specialist who can provide more advanced treatments. In summary, managing excessive sweating can involve a combination of lifestyle changes, medical treatments, and specialized products. By following these strategies, you can reduce sweating and improve your quality of life. Remember, excessive sweating is a common condition, and you don't have to suffer alone. Reach out to your doctor for help and support. Use natural remedies. Some people prefer to use natural remedies to manage excessive sweating. One popular option is sage, which is believed to have antiperspirant properties. You can brew sage tea and apply it to your skin, or use a sage-based deodorant. Other natural remedies include witch hazel, coconut oil, and lemon juice. Modify your workouts. Intense exercise can trigger excessive sweating, so modifying your workouts can help manage this condition. Choose low-impact exercises like yoga or Pilates, or opt for activities that don't involve a lot of movement, such as swimming. Consider cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is a form of talk therapy that can help manage excessive sweating. It focuses on identifying negative thought patterns and replacing them with more positive ones. CBT can help reduce anxiety, which can be a trigger for excessive sweating. Use medical devices. There are several medical devices that can be used to manage excessive sweating. For example, a Mira Dry device uses microwave technology to destroy sweat glands in the underarms, reducing sweating. Another option is a thermoclear device, which uses heat to treat excessive sweating in the hands and feet. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for overall health, but it can also help manage excessive sweating. Lack of sleep can trigger stress, which can make sweating worse. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and establish a regular sleep routine. Explore herbal supplements. Some herbal supplements, like valerian root and ashwagandha, may help manage excessive sweating by reducing stress and anxiety. However, it's important to talk to a doctor before taking any herbal supplements, as they can interact with other medications and have potential side effects. Don't give up. Managing excessive sweating can be a challenging process, but it's important to stay committed to finding a solution. Don't give up if one treatment doesn't work. There are many options available, and it may take some trial and error to find the right one for you. In conclusion, managing excessive sweating can involve a range of strategies, from lifestyle changes to medical treatments. By exploring different options and working with a doctor, you can find an approach that works for you and improve your quality of life. Remember, excessive sweating is a common condition, and there are many people out there who understand what you're going through. Stay positive.